My parents lived here in Altadena. Then we lived here, and then my son and daughter live here, and my grandchildren live here. Altadena is home.
This is a neighborhood with homes really close together. Okay, it looks like also to the neighbors.
130,000 people under evacuation orders.
We had to get out with nothing. It was scary.
Not only did it destroy houses, but it destroyed much of our history. Altadena is bigger than fires.
Being able to be here rebuilding this home for the family, it's really bringing hope back to this community, seeing it grow back to what it used to be.
My daughter, unfortunately, was impacted from the Malibu fire and lost everything. This is an opportunity for me to give back.
It makes me very emotional to be able to be here and help this family out.
We were here when this whole place was still on fire. And to be back here now, everybody rebounding, it's like the true comeback American story. It's been awesome to see.
The first day here after the fires was heartbreaking. We kept coming out here, just getting their internet back up, getting their phone services back up. That was our mission, that was our goal, and we still continue to do that today.
This is our new home.
At the foot of the mountains.
I feel hopeful. See homes coming up. We are coming back, and we're going to be a neighborhood again. Altadena will rise again.